Yes, dear students, welcome to Diamond Group of Institution. So myself, Mr. Sukumar sir. Today we are going to factorization of the polynomials. We will discuss about the example questions, dear students. So previous class already we completed the 5 classes, dear students. This is the 6th class. So 6th class is there. In the 6th class we will discuss about the factorization of the polynomial, and here some example questions are there. So example question one by one we can see. So I will do the solution one by one. I will explain the each and every question. Then we will go to the exercise. In the exercise, there are 3-4 bits are there. 3-4 bit are one by one. We will discuss about that. Okay. I thought I given for some questions are homework. So those questions also you did. I thought. So anyway, you are getting the confused or doubt, dear students, you can call to me. I will clarify your doubt. And the timetable schedule also we already sent to your mobile numbers. So that is check out day by day you can check it, and afterwards follow the classes, dear students, and make it the notes. Come to the example number. Example is there. So examine the whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and of 2x plus 4. Here two polynomials are there. One is cubic polynomial, one is linear polynomial. What he asked here, so in this polynomial, suppose x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Means what is the meaning here? x plus 2, so x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 लेके इसके अंदर सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन 0 आए तो we can say x plus 2 is the factor of the given polynomial. This is considered g of x. This is considered p of x, dear students. So that's why we should see the solution. So now I am writing one more time this polynomial x cube plus 3x square and plus 5x and plus 6, dear students. Previous exercise we studied what? 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial and the remainder theorem also we studied. So like that only is this question. Okay. So now here second one is factors we told now. So what is the factor there? X plus 2 is equal to, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So the next x is equal to plus 2 is become minus 2, dear students. Afterwards what you can do, in this polynomial where is the x, there substitute the value minus 2. So here x cube is there. Now I am taking minus 2 whole cube and plus 3 x square means minus 2 whole square and plus 5 and x means minus 2 and plus 6 is there. Next step, dear students, here minus 2 whole cube means it is become minus 8 and plus 3 I wrote as it is. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4 and plus into minus 5 to the 10 and plus 6, dear students. So next simplify. Now here minus 8 as it is plus 3 4s are 12 and minus 10 and plus 6. Next step, dear students, here minus 8 minus 10 it is become minus 18 plus 12 plus 6 it is become plus 18. So now look at the board. Minus 8 minus 10 equal to minus 18 plus 12 plus 6 is equal to plus 18. Now both are get cancelled. Answer came here 0. So therefore we can say what? X plus 2 is the factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. We can say. So once again, dear students, what is the question? Whether x plus 2 is a factor of the x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the first half question. Second half question is what? 2x plus 4, dear students. Means what is the meaning here? दिए गए फैक्टर का वैल्यू लेके हम दिए गए पॉलिनोमियल के अंदर सब्स्टिट्यूट करके सिंप्लीफाई करें तो आंसर 0 आए तो हम ये कहना है कि the given number, given value is the given factor is the given variable is the given g of x is equal to 0 of the factor of the given polynomial. दिए गए फैक्टर इसका फैक्टर है बोल के हम बता सकते हैं कब? when answer it will become the 0. That's why we are checking here. That's why I wrote here x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 I wrote here. Similarly second is given a factor x plus 2. There is I took here. Already we studied the 0 of the polynomial. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to this plus 2 is become minus 2. Then where is the x? there substitute the value minus 2. This in this polynomial x cube is there, that's why x value is minus 2. I substituted, that is become minus 2 whole cube and plus 3. And here x square is there, x square plus is what, minus 2 whole square and plus 5, x value is minus 2 and plus 6. Then minus 2 whole cube, dear students, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 how many times? 3 times. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, answer came minus. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus. So here 3 as it is, minus 2 whole square equal to plus 4 minus plus into minus minus 5 to the 10 and plus 6. Then minus 8 is here, 3 4 the 12 minus 10 and plus 6. So then minus 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 18 plus 12 plus 6 is equal to plus 18. So plus 18 minus 18 both are get cancelled, answer equal to 0. That's why we can say what, x plus 2 is the factor of the x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. We can say, dear student. And we ask the second half question also is there. What is the second half question here, dear students? 2x plus 4 also you should be checked. 2x plus 4, dear students. Okay, let us see the solution. Here solution. So already we know that x value we got here minus 2. Where is the x? There substitute the value minus 2 and plus 4, dear students. Now it is plus into minus equal to minus 2 to the 4 and plus 4. So both are get cancelled. We got here answer 0. We can say what, x plus 2 is the factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 also and 2x plus 4 also. We can say, dear students. I thought you understood very clearly. This is an example question is there. Already solution also is given in the test. Reader, dear students. Then also you are not getting, you can send me, I will clarify your doubt, dear students. Let us go to the next example question. Yes, dear students. Let us come to the example number 12, dear students. So what we are asked, example number 12, dear students. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k, dear students. So this such type of the question you should be what, keep it your mind. When you will go to the next year, there is a linear equation, two variable on chapter is there. There also we should be find the value of k, m. Like that only they will ask the question, dear students. But this here one example question is that you study very well and look at the solution very step by step. You should be look at the solution, dear students. I am doing such type of the question. Anywhere we can got. So so materials are there. Those materials in the another reference book. There also they will give. IIT NEET foundation books are there. There is you purchase it. So many more questions are there. Those more questions you should be what to do the practice, dear students. Okay. So let us see the solution. So one more time I am writing the question. The polynomial is what? 4x cube plus 3x square and minus 4x and plus k. This is the question, dear students. And root, what is given root? The root, one of the factor is given x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then it is written as x is equal to plus 1. So minus 1 cancel that side, that is become what? Plus 1, dear students. Okay. Now here where is the x? There substitute the value 1, dear students. Now 4 x cube is there. This is written as 1 cube plus 3 here 1 square and minus 4 here 1 and plus k, dear students. Next step 4 1 cube equal to 1 only plus 3 as it is 1 square equal to 1 only and minus 4 is the 4 plus k, dear students, plus k. Next step here 4 on the 4 plus 3 on the 3 minus 4 plus k is equal to 0. Now plus 4 minus 4 both are get cancelled. Here is 3 plus k is equal to 0. Then k is equal to minus 3. I thought you understood it, dear students, very well. K value equal to what? 3. One more time. K value equal to, dear students, minus 3, dear students. Let us see once again. Question is what? Find the value of the k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k is the, dear student. Now we are finding the value of k, dear students. So 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k, dear students. So x minus 1 of the factor is x minus 1 is equal to 0. That's why x is equal to what? Minus 1 is transfer that side, that is become plus 1, dear students. So in this polynomial, where is the x? There substitute the value 1, dear students. So 4 is there. So x cube place we are, I am taking here 1 cube plus 3 and 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k is equal to 0, dear students. Okay, 0. And the next step here, 1 cube equal to 1, dear students, I wrote here, plus 3, 1 square equal to 1 and minus 4, 4 into 1 is equal to 4 and k as it is, 4 into 1 equal to 4, plus into plus is equal to plus 3 1 is 3, minus 4 and plus k is equal to 0, positive 4, negative 4, both are get cancelled. Here remaining is plus 3 plus k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0 is there, plus 3, transfer that side, that is become minus 3, dear students, k value equal to minus 3. I thought you understood this solution. Next we will come to the very important, that is what? Factorization of the polynomial, dear students. Okay, already we studied in 8th standard there is one chapter algebraic expression. Afterwards one is the factorization. In that chapter we studied very well, so that is only is there. So one by one we can see the example question. Afterwards we will go to the exercise, dear students. Yes, dear students, now we are going to example number 13, dear students. What is the question? Factorize 6x square plus 17x plus 5 this is the first question. And B1 is there, y square minus 5y plus 6. This is the second question. So this is the example number 13. This is the example number 14 is there, but I wrote directly here only. So here two methods are there. Splitting method, one method, another one factorization method. Factorization method, it will be take the time. Splitting method is very easy. So you can take the any one method in properly. Afterwards, factorization method already we did in the 7th standard and 8th standard also. 7th standard. So now we are going to splitting method. This is very easy, dear students. And you look at the board clearly, you will understood. Okay. So now first 13 question is what? 6x square plus 17x plus 5 is there, dear students. So I am writing that question one more time. 6x square plus 17x and plus 5 is equal to 0, dear students. Now here coefficient of the x square and constant number you should do the multiplication. 6 5 is 30 and sign also very important, dear students. Sign also very important. 6x square plus 17x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here coefficient of the x square is equal to 6 and the constant number is equal to 5, dear students. So 6 5 is 30. 6 5 is 30. Now plus into plus is equal to plus. Now we should be take the two numbers. हम ऐसा दो नंबर लेना चाहिए, वो दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करे तो 30 आना चाहिए, वो दोनों को एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करे तो आंसर हमको प्लस 17 आना चाहिए. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, so 30 6 5 is 37. We are giving the answer directly. 6 5 is 37, 10 3 is 37. We are saying, but we should be take like that number. The product is 30, but when we are doing those two number addition or subtraction, we will get the answer 17. Such type of the numbers we should be taking. So that's why here plus is there. I am taking 15 to the 30. It is right, dear students. 15 to the 30 plus 15 plus 2 plus into plus 15 to the 30 plus 15 plus 2. Answer is plus 17. Now write it the exponent form. 6x square and plus 15x and plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, here students, what I wrote here, 6x square plus 17x plus 5. This in between of the 17x place I wrote here 15x plus 2x, dear students. What I wrote here, 15x plus 2x. Now we are splitting here, taking the common 6 and 15. What is the LCM? We should be take the LCM, dear student. 6 and 15 6 and 15. We should be take the HCF, dear students. 6 6 and 15 HCF is equal to 3. Okay, now check it. 6 and 15 HCF. Both are divisible by 3. 3 is the prime number. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. And 2 and 5 are not divisible by same table. That's why let it be. So therefore, 3 is the HCF of 6 and 15. And what is the HCF of x square and x is equal to x only. That's why the HCF of 6x square plus 15 is what? 15 is what? 3x, dear students. Make it that this is one group and this is the another one group, dear students. Now I am taking 3x common inside. You multiply 3. How much is 6? 3 2s are 6, dear student. Already we have x. What we can take? That is become x square. Here x. X into x, x square. And here plus sign is there. Put the plus. 3 how much is 15? 3 5 is the 15. 3 5 is the 15. Once again multiply. 3 2s are 6. X into x, x square. Plus into plus, plus. 3 5 is the 15. X into 1, x. Now एक फैक्टर इन आगे का फैक्टर दोनों भी सेम आना चाहिए. ऑलरेडी 2x plus 5 is there, 2x plus 5 is there. Now 2 and 5 HCF is what? 1. That's why I am taking here plus 1 in this in the bracket 2x plus 5, dear students. Once again 3 2s are 6. X into x, x square. Plus into plus, plus. 3 5s are 15x. Plus into plus, plus. 1 2s are 2x. Plus into plus, plus. 1 5s are 5. Here, look at, you should be bring this factor and this factor. Both factors you should be bring the same, dear student. Then only our answer is right. So now I am taking outside the terms are 3x and plus 1. This is one factor. Another one 2x plus 5. Here 2 times is there, but I took only 1 time, that is common. 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5, 2 times is there, but we are taking the commonly 1 time. That is a 2x plus 5, one factor. 3x plus 1, another factor, dear students. I thought you understood very well, dear students. So factorization, one more time. I will give this explanation one more time, dear students. What? Factorization 6x square plus 17x plus 5. I wrote as it is. You also write like that only. And afterwards split it. When we are splitting, first of all, coefficient of the x square and the constant number you should do multiplication. 6 5s are 30, dear students. And afterwards we should take the two number such type. Which type we can take the two numbers means those two numbers product is 30 and those two number when we will do the addition or subtraction we will get the answer 17, dear students. That's why I took here 15 to the 30. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17, dear students. I wrote here, so 6x square plus 15x plus 2x. The 17x place I wrote here 15x plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. After to make it the group, this side one group, this side one group. Now 6 and 15 HCF is equal to 3, dear students. X square and x HCF is equal to xl. So afterwards to multiply 3 to the 6 x into x square plus into plus 3 5 is 15x. Afterwards here 2 and 5 HCF is 1. That's why I took here HCF 1. 1 to the 2x and 1 5 is a 5 and remaining is 0. Next outside terms are factors are 3x plus 1 I wrote here, and here 2x plus 5 2x plus 5 2 times is there. That's why I took only one common. So therefore the factors of 6x square plus 17x plus 5 is what? In the bracket 3x plus 1 one factor, another one 2x plus 5 another factor, dear students. I thought you understood very well. Now let us see the second question, dear student. So second question is what? Question number 14. Example number 14 is there. That is very easy, dear students. Example number 14. What is the question? Y square minus 5y plus 6 is there. I told you, first of all, you should be multiplying with coefficient of y square, and here coefficient of y square and constant. 1 6 is 6. 1 6 is 6. Now we should take the two numbers. Those two numbers product is what? Product is plus 6, and those two numbers adding, when we will do the addition or subtraction we will get the answer minus 5. What we can take, dear students? Now I am taking minus 6 and minus 1, dear students. Okay, minus 6, minus 1. So 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. And 2 3s are 6 also we can take. Both is negative. That is also we can take. Okay. 3 2s are 6. Plus into plus, plus. But here answer we required here minus. That's why this is minus, this is also minus. Minus into minus, minus into minus, plus. 3 2s are 6. And minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Now y square minus 3y minus 2y and plus 6, dear students. Okay, minus into minus, plus 3 2s are 6, minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Next here common y I am taking, y into y square, y into 3 3y, and here minus 2 I am taking common. Here is y. Already we have minus. Required sign is plus. That's why we are taking here minus. Minus into minus, plus. 2 3s are 6. Look at this is and this is same. So answer is what? Y minus 2, one of the factor. Another one, y minus 3, another factor. This is a very easy question, dear students. One more time solution. Y square minus 5y plus 6. So y square minus 3y minus 2y. I took here. I split it here. 6 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 I took minus 2 minus plus 3 2s are 6, dear students. Minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5, dear students. Y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6. So here HCF is y into y square, y into 3 3y, minus into plus minus 2 into y 2y, minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6, dear students. Next is commonly outside is y minus 2 is there, inside is y minus 3 is there. This is the two factors of given polynomial y square minus 5y plus 6 is there. This is when quadratic polynomial is there. Like that only we will do the solution. Let us go to the example question. Exercise question. Next one example question is there. I will explain at a time. What in this exercise one beat is there. One beat. What is the next question? Next example question क्या है? उसी तरह आपको एक एक्सरसाइज के अंदर एक बीट है, वो बीट पढ़ाने के टाइम में वो भी क्वेश्चन आपको पढ़ाते जाऊंगा, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, नाउ लेट अस गो टू द एक्सरसाइज. Yes, dear students, let us come to the exercise 2.4. We are coming to the nearby ending the chapter. हम थोड़ा chapter end करने के place में आ रहे हैं, dear students. So I told you what. So previous one example question is that I left that. I informed to you. मैंने बताया आपको उसी तरह का जो क्वेश्चन इस एक्सरसाइज के अंदर है वो पढ़ाने के टाइम में आपको पढ़ाऊंगा बोल के मैंने बताया, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. आई थॉट यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग वेरी वेल एंड आप अंडरस्टैंड कर ले रहे बोल के मैं समझ लेता हूँ, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. फॉलो करते जाइए, वीडियो देखते जाइए और कहाँ भी कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछते जाइए, क्योंकि स्टडी करने का वे यही है. सर थोड़ा स्टूडेंट मोबाइल लेके दूसरा भी देखते बैठते, दैट इज रॉन्ग. सो विच किसके लिए हम लिए हैं वो लेके वो उसका ही यूज कर लेना. उसको छोड़ के बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं, मिसयूज कर लेते हैं. वो वीडियो में क्या है, क्या नोट्स बनाना, वैसा नहीं है. फ्यूचर एक पहाड़ चढ़ना बोले तो आज से नहीं हो, आज सडनली नहीं होता है. आज से उसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्लान करना पड़ता, आज से जाना पड़ता. आज यही सिचुएशन है. एक एंट है बोले तो एंट भी पहाड़ चढ़ना बोले तो बहुत दिन से प्रयत्न करके एक छोटे स्टेप लेके आगे आता है. उसी तरह हम बैठे घर में बैठ के भी हम क्या देखना चाहिए, इसमें से क्या है. हाँ, हम डायरेक्ट एग्जाम्स को कैसा करेंगे. हाँ, कोरोना आया, डायरेक्ट एग्जाम कैंसिल हुआ. दैट इज द ओल्ड प्रॉब्लम. दुनिया का प्रॉब्लम था, कैंसिल हुआ. लेकिन हमारा कर्नाटक का गवर्नमेंट 10th के एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट करने के लिए बताया, कंडक्ट करे, रिजल्ट दिए, सब कुछ दिए. अदर स्टेट्स आर कैंसल्ड. 10th के एग्जाम्स कैंसिल करे थे, लेकिन हमारा स्टेट कैंसिल नहीं करा. एक सिचुएशन में ये क्यों बताता हूं बोले तो घर में बैठ के मोबाइल लेके ऑनलाइन क्लास देखने का थोड़ा स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं, नेग्लेक्ट करते. इसमें हमको समझ में नहीं आया रीजन, सिली रीजन. लेकिन किनको भूख रहता है, हम पढ़ने का भूख रहता है, पढ़ना चाहिए, हमको कुछ आगे आना चाहिए बोल के जो किनको जुनून रहता है ना, ऑटोमेटिकली पढ़ेगा, वो फॉलो करेगा. हम देखते बोल के नहीं, सर देखते थे क्लास में, अब कौन हमको देखने वाला बोल के समझ ले कि आप बैठे तो दैट इज योर लॉस, डियर स्टूडेंट. हमारा कुछ भी नहीं जाएगा. ओके, सो लेट अस कम टू द टॉपिक. एक्सरसाइज 2.4 इज देयर. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? डिटरमाइन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग polynomial has x plus 1 is a factor of given questions, dear students. नीचे in this bit having the 4 problems, dear students, one by one we will do the solution. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? नीचे दिए गए पॉलिनोमियल्स के अंदर जो x plus 1 किसका फैक्टर है बोल के पूछ रहा है. मैंने आपको प्रीवियसली बताया x plus 1 का वैल्यू लेके हम उस पॉलिनोमियल में सब्स्टिट्यूट करके सॉल्यूशन करने के बाद उसका आंसर 0 आए तो हम ये कहना चाहिए कि वो उसका फैक्टर है बोल के हम बोलना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ solution, dear students. Here x plus 1 is equal to 0 is there. That's why I am taking x is equal to minus 1. Okay, सर ये कैसे गई? कुछ नहीं, रात भर रामायण सुन के सुबह राम सीता को क्या होता बोल के पूछा था, उसी तरह हो जाएगा. x plus 1 is equal to 0, dear students. Plus 1 the answer that is become minus 1. कभी भी पेनाल्टी भरना पड़ता. दिस इज द बॉर्डर ऑफ द मैथ्स. इज इक्वल टू क्या है? एक बॉर्डर की जैसा है. हम कर्नाटक से आंध्र जाना, आंध्र से महाराष्ट्र को जाना बोले तो हम क्या करना पड़ता? टैक्स भरना पड़ता. उसी तरह हम इधर है तो उधर अपना क्या करना पड़ता? साइन चेंज करना पड़ता. x plus 1 is equal to 0. That's why x is equal to k minus 1. Now I am taking here this polynomial. In that polynomial, where is the x? There substitute the minus 1 value. So minus 1 whole cube and plus minus 1 whole square and plus minus 1 and plus 1, dear students. Okay, now let us see. Here minus 1 whole cube is there. That place I am writing here minus 1 only because minus 1 3 times is there. 3 times minus 1 means minus into minus plus, plus into minus, dear students. 1 cube equal to what? 1 only. Then minus 1 whole square it is become plus 1, plus into minus, minus 1 and plus 1. Once again, dear students, minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, plus 1 whole square is, minus 1 whole square is plus 1 and plus into minus, minus, this one as it is, plus 1 also as it is. Now, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, both are get cancelled. Answer is equal to what? 0. That's why answer is what? Yes, we can say x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, dear students. I thought you understood very well this first question. The thing is that given the polynomial you should write as it is question, dear students, and x plus 1 is there. X plus 1 I took here. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to plus 1 is cancelled this side. That is become minus 1, dear students. So where is the x in this polynomial? They substitute the value minus 1. So I took here minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1 is there. Minus 1 whole cube equal to answer we got here minus 1 only. Plus minus 1 whole square is there, it become plus 1 and plus into minus is equal to minus 1 as it is plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 both are get cancelled, so equal to 0. That's why we can say what? X plus 1 is the factor of the x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, dear students. I thought you understood very well first question. Now let us go to the fourth question, dear students. Okay, fourth question is that is like that given. We will see once again. Exercise 2.4. Question is what? Question number 4. X cube minus x square minus 2 plus under root of 2 bracket close x and plus under root of 2, dear students. Plus under root of 2. Example number, right, 1 minute. Okay, so now I will explain this fourth question. So dear students, look at the book. Already we know that x is equal to minus 1. Where is the x? Just substitute the value minus 1, minus 1 whole cube and minus 1 whole square minus in the bracket 2 plus under root of 2 and here minus 1, dear students, and plus under root of 2. Where is the x? Here x cube, here x square and here minus x and constant number as it is. Minus 1 whole cube equal to, we got here answer minus 1. Minus 1 whole square equal to plus 1. Plus into minus equal to minus 1. and here minus into minus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to plus, remaining is 2 plus under root of 2 as it is, and plus under root of 2. One more time, here minus into plus is equal to minus into minus is equal to plus 2 as it is, and afterwards what, under root of 2 as it is. One more time, minus into minus plus, and minus into plus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to plus, minus into plus is equal to what, minus under root of 2, dear students. Next step, one more time, minus 1 whole cube equal to minus 1 only, minus 1 whole square equal to plus 1, plus into minus, minus into minus, plus 2 as it is, minus into plus, minus under root of 2, plus under root of 2. So now both are get cancelled, dear students. So next step, here is what, minus 1 is equal to minus 2, and plus 2 is equal to answer, both are get cancelled, answer equal to 0. Whatever it is, dear students, I will explain this question tomorrow. You take this much only, what, minus 1 whole cube and minus 1 square and minus 2 plus root of 2. Let us, I will see the next part, dear students. I thought today you understood very well, and this exercise having the 3-4 bits are there, dear students. 3-4-5 bits are there, each bit having the 4-5 questions. So I will explain the difficult question. So remaining questions we will do the homework, dear students. Today we will stop here only. In this exercise, first bit I explained to you first question, and second and third question very easy is that those two questions we will do, and last question I will explain next period, dear students. Today you will give to the permission to me. I will stop here only. Okay, thank you dear student, thank you and all.